What Randy's got going on is he's got an island blind right here. And if you look out in front of it, it's one of the most beautiful sights that you could ever imagine in mallard duck hunting, Canada goose hunting. And that's 2 Mallard View ice eaters keeping a hole open in sub-zero temperatures. And I'm talking sub-zero with the wind chill. But when it's 5 degrees for weeks at a time, and you can come out and have bubbles in your decoy spread like this with an open hole, it's like a magnet to waterfowl. We got banded block mallard floaters. We got the Dakota Canada floaters, and this is my dream hunt right now. Grab first, let's get ready. Oh, that was pretty. Kill him. Nice shooting, boys! That was absolutely gorgeous! Guys, if you look at that, that's just called big northern migrating mallard ducks.
Ice hole mallards.
I mean, that is just gorgeous.
Complain about a thing today. Wouldn't anybody listen anyway? So I'll keep on going against the grain. I may hate my job, but I'm getting paid. Ain't on top of the world, but at least I'm still on this side of the day. And I'll keep my